Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. In our last episode of this continuing series, we had notified you that the state of Idaho filed a notice of compliance regarding their updated witness list and a motion to seal it. If you have not yet had an opportunity to listen to that episode, please do, because now we're going to look at the court order that Judge Hippler has rendered on the motion to seal. It is filed June 20th, 2025. However, it was signed by Judge Hippler on June 18th, 2025. And this is just an example of a situation where a document may take a day or two before it appears on the public docket. This is entitled Order Sealing State's Amended Witness List. And it says, based upon the state's notice of compliance and motion to seal state's amended witness list filed, the court does hereby confirm and order that the state's guilt phase witness list is exempt from disclosure and sealed pursuant to Idaho Court Administrative Rule 32G1 and I6 and Idaho Code Section 74124A and B. That is a statute, ladies and gentlemen, whereas the Rule 32 is a rule of court promulgated by the Idaho Supreme Court. The continuation of the order reads as follows. For the reasons stated in said motion. So we see here that the court has found good cause to seal the state's amended witness list. And again, amended means that it's changed, that the state, it appears, has added an additional witness or witnesses. These are lay witnesses. The guilt phase is the case in chief. It's the part of the trial where the state will be called upon to proffer evidence which may include and will include testimony of witnesses. Lay witnesses are people who know something, who heard something, who possess personal knowledge of the matters regarding the case in chief. I've provided a link to the last episode of our Indie Zone podcast. If you have not yet had an opportunity to listen to it, please do, because now what this order does is it grants the relief that the state was seeking in terms of sealing from public disclosure their amended witness list. And it will remain sealed now by virtue of this order until or unless Judge Hippler unseals it. I've also provided a link to an earlier episode of our podcast where we had learned by looking on the case summary page that there were certain filings under seal. Another court order on a filing from the state seeking to have, on an ex parte basis, 4 out-of-state witnesses, have trial subpoenas issued for them. We have been monitoring Commonwealth of Pennsylvania versus Kohberger to see if the state of Idaho's subpoenas for out-of-state witnesses had any relationship to their prior declaration that they were going to call members of the Kohberger family, and there's 4 of them, to be their witnesses in their case in chief against Mr. Kohberger. Nothing appears as of today, the 24th of June. The only subpoenas out of Pennsylvania that one of the parties have sought the domestication of is the defense side. They have asked for a total of 7 trial witnesses from Pennsylvania to be court ordered to appear at the forthcoming trial. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you so much for joining us here today.